Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor with IRS. Don't fear me, don't hate me. I've been doing this work for a long time. I don't know where you were on August 20th, 1973, but I was sitting at an IRS desk that day. So think of how many cases I've worked. So with that said, by the way, I'm an author of a best-selling book. I'm not selling the book. Don't worry. I don't hate that when people do that. They're so too salesy. I want to talk to you if you don't file a tax return, what's going to happen. So you're hearing this from a former IRS agent. I worked these cases. I did referrals to criminal investigation. I've done the administrative part. So here's the truth about if you don't file your tax returns. IRS knows you haven't filed. I just want to let you know that if they have your Social Security, they know you haven't filed. The problem is there's gobs of non-filers. Maybe, I don't know, I've heard a number of 8 to 10 million, maybe 12 million. So what they have to do is try to find the low-hanging fruit, and they will send those notices just randomly. One day you're going to go and say, oh my God, IRS finally nailed me. So you don't want that to happen for one reason. You want to initiate this, not IRS. My dog, no, Zeus, come here, get over here. He attacks the mailman. Can you think? I see you're seeing this live. So anyway, I know you're entertained by my dog and my wife coming out naked. So anyway, I hope you're enjoying my show here. This is what I live with, bringing the office to the home. This is a reality show here. So anyway, what can happen and what will happen is at some point in time the golden ticket comes up from Willy Wonka, and you are going to be chosen to file your tax returns at least the 6 years. IRS has the option to go more, but generally you have to file the last 6 years. If you don't file your tax return and the case goes to an agent like me, I'd get those cases. I would ask for the tax returns, and then I'd start doing some investigative work, just a little, an hour or so, just to see if these tax returns were correct. So I'm digging away at that stuff. From there, your tax returns go into the IRS computer system, where the computers go ahead. Now AI will look at every tax return. They can pull your checks up, and they'll match your checks, maybe pull up a financial statement, throw it in there. So IRS is doing new things, and they'll find out how much that you're telling the truth or how much you're lying. That's why you don't want IRS to ask you for the return, because they can do things with it that normally if you just file the returns, they wouldn't do, because they're just getting and processing the return. So if you are back, you only have to file the last 6 years. You can give me a call. I'll explain that to you. And the easiest way to get in and out of IRS, no fuss, no muss, is boom, file the tax returns. So you just blend in the system, but get them filed. If you're self-employed, I'll talk to you about start making estimate payments. Thank you so very much for listening. Now you've heard the truth. Do what you want with it. Please give me a subscription, or if you know someone who hasn't filed, everyone does. You can share this video with them. Thank you so much. I appreciate your ear today.